Yo, Lay, Francis, Arico. It's Mo, bro. What is up? Hey, Trader Matt, Jay Hundo. What is up? Today was a very mixed day for me. Again. Triple B. Paulo. Hola, amigo. What is up? RTT Trades. Or RT Trades. I always say RTT Trades. What is up, Cronal? Fiber Splice. I love Chuck Roast. What is going on? Very interesting day, right? I mean, kind of like pushed the lows there. And then just rocketed up towards yesterday's high. We actually never crossed it. We still have yesterday's high up there. Yeah, very interesting. Yeah, kind of weird price action today. The inside bar did not really work. If anyone took it. It was the first inside bar. We didn't get it until later in the day. It actually pushed, I believe, 10 points. Almost exactly. Didn't really work for me. I like to take 20 points. So, did not work. But yeah, no inside bars until 10:50 in the afternoon. And then not again until 2:20 Eastern time in the afternoon. So kind of a wild day. Interesting. Kato. What is up? Captain Clutch, what is going on? What are we thinking? 454, 554 retracement of the new high. Then retracement of the high. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, it feels like the market just wants to keep pumping to me, but I don't know. I'm probably gonna wait for an inside bar or something like that. Slick Rick in the house. Smash the like button if you guys are just tuning in. You shorting? Full port, Canal. Full port. Every retracement hit today hit the fib. Oh. Nice. What am I drinking? CO2 coconut water. I know it looks like a Bud Light, but yeah, I like to pound one of those. Gives me energy to get through the stream. And then I just switch to the good old seltzer water. Sparkling water. So how'd everyone else do today? How'd you guys do today? Slick Rick was in the house. Hitchman's in the house. What is going on? Whole economy is being held up by video card company. It's kind of true, isn't it, Romeo? So here's a guess. This is just a wild guess. I don't know what's gonna happen. No one does. I don't know what's gonna happen tonight, but I'm thinking everyone's kind of predicting an inside day tomorrow. I'm predicting we're gonna push higher until Nvidia earnings, up until Nvidia earnings. That's what I'm thinking. But it's just a guess. Got a few minutes before the market opens. So I passed a few accounts today. Passed 2 core accounts. This funded account, I actually made $1,200 on this funded account today. The sore spot today is I lost my take profit trade day evals. So I blew some trade day evals. I actually made $14.95. This is what I made today on this funded account. No, not this one. Which one was it? This one. Yeah, 1203. So I made 1203 on this funded account. Basically got back what I lost yesterday. So I hit daily loss limit yesterday. I got it back. The only thing that sucks when you do that is that it messes with the consistency, right? But thankfully, my funded futures, I believe, is like 40% consistency. So. All right, 1 minute before market open. Pass a static today. Oh, nice RT trades. Which one? Which static? Yeah, let's get that money, Kato. Green on the XFAs. I gotta work on some more top steps, honest take. Again. Core funded is no consistency. Yeah, this is actually the old starter account. Actually, this is an old my funded futures starter. So, unfortunately, this one does have consistency. Yeah, I still got one left. Let's see how long we can keep it. All right, market's open, guys. Good luck. Hey, design. Hello, friends. June here. Eric C in the house. Derek Townsend, thank you so much for the sub. One more sub closer to 3,000. This is the next goal. Market's open, guys. Sovereignty, what is up? Keegan in the house. Mayor's in the house. Well, I had some banger tunes when he... Yeah, I think I don't think I can play those. That whatever he's playing design. I don't think so. I think that's YouTube stuff. But I mean, he's not monetized or anything, so I'm sure he doesn't care. But yeah, he was cranking the tunes. It was kind of funny. There we go. We keep pushing up. His Royal Trades. Yeah, right. Exactly, design. Yeah. 622 now. What was the high? Oh yeah, we just breached yesterday's high. Or I should say Monday's high, right? 602. Everything's going pretty good. Yeah, not too bad. Like I said, I've been struggling a bit with the old props, but yeah, kind of like doing that eval, the combine grind type stuff, and I don't know, it's affecting my trading. You're gonna see some different style trading for me coming up. So I have a game plan. So here's what I want to do. I'm gonna hopefully have I'm gonna work on getting 5 My Funded Futures accounts, 5 Take Profit Trader accounts. I'm just gonna try to keep building my accounts up. But once I get my funded accounts, I'm actually gonna size down the micros, and I'm gonna copy trade them using the first inside bar strat. And I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna do it in batches and then see how it goes. But I am gonna size down. I'm thinking 3 or 4 micros each account, and kind of grind it that way. The inside bar strat is 9 out of 11 days right now. 20 point take profit. There's really no reason to be losing any accounts with the systematic trading right now. So the problem is what I'm falling in when I'm trading in New York and stuff is after the first inside bar strat, I end up going on to different accounts, and then I end up trading more discretionary and things like that, and it's yeah, I'm over leveraging and I'm getting beat up pretty bad. So that's kind of what I'm gonna be doing. So I'm actually gonna challenge myself, see how disciplined I can by doing it. Is there a difference between NAS 100 and the NQ? I do not know. Discipline trader, I'm not sure. I don't think there's much of a difference, but 10% drawdown got you again today. Oh, Max, sorry to hear that. Scalp Ripper, what is up? It's Mo, bro. What is going on? Shone in the house. Tyler in the house. NAS 100 is a 100 times better than the NQ. Yeah, he's lying. What's up, Myth? What's going on? Sub-Zero in the house. All right, pushing higher. Broke yesterday's high. Team Massive in the house. His Rolls Trade says, today was my first day trading on the 15-minute chart on a personal account. I'm tired of trading on 45 seconds, 1 minute, less trades, longer hold times, bigger returns per trade. Nice, his Roll Trades. Yeah, that's kind of going to be my goal too, is just less trades. If I'm trading the props, then it's going to be more systematic in smaller size with the funded accounts. Evals, I can't guarantee patience with the evals, but you know how that goes. Can we get 800 tonight? Anything's possible. I mean, we could hit all-time highs tonight. It is possible. NASDAQ does crazy things. You take a candle like this. Take a candle like that, and we're at all-time highs. And that was just beginning of the month. So, what is the all-time high? I have it at 24,068.50. I was pretty much bullish all day, just because the ES just acted like it just wanted to push that all-time high, you know. So it's pretty much bullish all day, but I still managed to blow some accounts. Evals, mostly. One or two micros overnight tonight, max for me. Yeah, the other thing is with my personal account, I don't really feel the need to trade futures on my personal account because the options strategy that I've been using has been working pretty well. So probably not going to trade much futures on the personal for a while either, and just keep the option strategy separate. Yo, Sherry, what is up? I brought back one Beelnox that was $100 away from being liquidated. Oh, nice. Oh, sweet. Back to 50,013. JC Trades in the house. I hit daily loss limit on my Beelnox today, which is fine. It's my personal daily loss limit. I'm not signed in. So, I expect, kind of thinking Apex or Beelnox is going to come out with 91%. That's what I'm kind of thinking, that at the end of this month. That's what I'm hoping for. So we can load up. Oh, sweet. I got my Beelnox payout. So, Beelnox just took the money out. So, that's sweet. So, they pay out on Wednesdays, but they always take the money out Tuesday nights. And, yeah. So, I can trade these three. I can copy trade these three accounts tomorrow. Sweet. So that's a nice thing. JC Trades in the house. I think I said hi to you. Sherry, you love the inside bar strategy? Outside bar strategy? Yeah, Sherry. I need to love it too. I need to trade it myself. This is the problem. This is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing people loving it. I see people getting payouts with it. And it's like, it's crazy. Inside bar, thank you. Inside bar. Eric C says, so I will take it. First trade of the day. Let's try it. Micros. Do not follow my trades. Yada, yada, yada. Actually broke the MNQ to the downside, but NQ. So I always chart on NQ in case anyone's wondering. Hey Daryl, what is up? Reading, what is an inside bar? This body and wicks opens and closes within the body and wicks of the previous candle and creates a 5-minute inside bar. So it's inside the previous bar. Yeah, I think so too, Myth. Jordan, what is up? Following me right or wrong? Hey, let's do it. So if we take the long here, stop's gonna go 607 or so, 608. Actually, probably like 608. All right, we're triggered long here. Choo choo. Let's go. We break the highs, get up to 10 points. I'm going to trail. See if I'm going to actually get a push tonight and not just come back and chop. Yeah, I'm going to look for the highs, 625. So look for about 10 points. Then I'm going to quickly trail. We should. Yeah, it could come back in range, Kato, for sure. That it can do. Outside bar too on MNQ. Alright, I'm trying to take profit right at the high here. Just a little 1-to-1. Really? A little better than 1-to-1. Just looking for 10 points. Sherry, you're out? Diamond hands, Sherry. Diamond hands. I'm just kidding. Diamond hands. Speaking of diamond hands, you guys see my Tilray position. What up, John Carter? Tony Gold in the house. Diamond butt cheeks, that's right. Tilray up another 4% today. This is my retirement. Come on, get up there. 619, 620s. Juan, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. The big news today was Taylor Swift got engaged to Travis Kelce. That's the big news for today. Apparently he was on Financial Juice as well. Kind of crazy. JC Trades is full port short for the stream. Good luck, good luck. What a mistake, Tyler says, yeah. Taylor's supposed to be your wife. 2 for Tuesday. What's going on, Sports Dom? Did she use coupon Pine? No. Travis Kelce used coupon Pine for the ring, though. JC Trade single-handedly bringing the market down right now. Israel Trades. Could be. Tour A is a Michael Anthony recommendation. I have no idea, Coach Fred. Could be. Tilray's been around a while. It's pot stock that's been around a long time. It once shot up to $146 or something like that. It was crazy. It's one of the largest distributors of cannabis in the world, really. Well, it's Tyler. Oh yeah, the guy that used to get. Oh, Michael Anthony. Oh, okay, yeah. See, I missed the joke, Fred. I'm a little slow. Yeah, that's funny. Michael Benny in the house. It's 420, that's right. I did alright, Powers. Overall, it was okay, but pretty mixed. I was really disappointed I blew my trade day evals. Yeah. I really shouldn't even try to full port those. I mean, it doesn't really make sense. You gotta trade them for 7 days anyway. So I just need to take the base hits for the old trade day. So it's a little unfortunate. I will pick up a few more before the end of this month. While the sale's going on, because that sale is ending at the end of the month. So this week for trade day. Did you guys see Robinhood is taking, you can take a bet and to see like you can bet sports games and stuff. They use contracts and spreads and stuff. It's weird. I was looking on Robinhood, and you can bet to see who's going to perform at the halftime show. Taylor Swift is like the #1 pick right now. I think if you place a bet on Taylor Swift for $1,000, you can make 300 or something. But yeah, it's crazy. Nice, Coach Fred. Yeah, that's sweet. Just gotta flip for 2 days. That seems to be about the norm, is the 2-day flip. All right, can we push higher now? Or are we just gonna flag out? They had result. Oh, really? Yeah, Mo, bro. It's crazy on Robinhood app. They get away with it because they use spreads or something, or contracts. I don't know, but yeah, you can gamble on all kinds of things. The sports events. I saw soccer, baseball, college football. Mr. Smith, you're not alone. I'm struggling myself. Betting Cracker Barrel will get that new logo. Yeah, yeah, getting rid of the old man or something that was on there. I've never been inside a Cracker Barrel, so I have no idea. We don't have Cracker Barrels up north. We don't have Waffle Houses, and we don't have Cracker Barrels. Waffle barrels. Chip barrels now. Crack houses. Yeah, we don't have any of that stuff. The first Waffle House I ever went to was down in Florida. Cousin's Maine Lobster. Yeah, we have on Shark Tank. Yeah, I remember when they were on Shark Tank. Cousins. Yeah, I go where the tourists don't go. These little hole-in-the-wall lobster places, right on the water. So awesome. You literally drive by all the tourists, and you get to these little small hole-in-the-walls that are sitting right on the water. They cook them up for you. Pretty awesome. Right on the edge of the ocean. Who needs anything else other than Benihana? Yeah. Yeah, Tyler, it's awesome. It's really fun. BYOB too, which is great. Just pack a little cooler. They cook up the lobsters for you. It's literally right out of the lobster pot, right into the cooking pot, right onto your plate. Actually, they just throw you a tray and then give you a bunch of give you a roll of paper towel. Say, there you go. All right, 616s again. Right back. Put another inside bar. I'd love to see a break to the upside. 619, 620s. Continue. I gotta make a vlog of it. I should. Yeah, I should before all the places shut down for the summer. Cause they shut down for the summer. They're very seasonal. Probably Labor Day. Is it Labor Day coming up? Yeah, usually shut down then. Portland is great outside of tourist season, so pricey otherwise. Yeah, I love Portland. I love visiting Portland anyway. Last time I went to Portland, I went to DeMillo's. DeMillo's on the water. That was expensive, but special occasion, you know. DeMillo's on the water in Portland is a little seafood It's a seafood restaurant, but it's actually on a boat that's just docked in the harbor. So it's pretty nice. Lincoln's? I've never heard of Lincoln's. Oh, it's a little bar down in Portland. Romeo it is. Yeah, it started out slow. So big should have some action tomorrow night, guys, for the stream with NVIDIA earnings tomorrow. So I'm expecting something tomorrow. Sports on pretty much the exact same way the Midwest does barbecue. Yeah, for sure. I gotta get some good barbecue. I haven't gotten any good barbecue lately. $5 cash bar for everything. Get what you pay. Yeah, that's awesome, Michael. Uncle Bugatti in the house. What is up, my friend? What is up? Barcoding, yeah. Yeah, it's kind of putting in this flag pattern, but could spell disaster. We could break down through here, come crashing lower, but we'll see. Maybe not. Hey, Pico's red. How did you do today trading, Uncle? Smash the like button on your way in, guys. Almost to 3,000 subs. Can't believe it. Peter in the house, all green. Uncle Bugatti says, got my lunch money from TPT. Let's go. Yeah, I have 2 passed. I'm just waiting. Matter of fact, I think I have to flip them. Let me double check. I have a 150K and a 25K passed. Oh, the 25K should be good. That should be passed. Although the 25K says I have to make another $4. Ugh. I don't know. We'll see. I'll wait to see if it actually passes tomorrow. Yo, Unc, what is up? $10. Let's go. Thank you so much, Unc. Appreciate the support. want a YouTube channel that has no subscribers and I want to run it for years. They're out there, Trev. Sure. She slays Naz. My favorite prop firm personally is Take Profit Trader. For one, daily payouts. Two, the eval is a little bit easier than trade day. Trade day, I wouldn't sleep on them either. With the daily payouts, and you also have the choice of having an end-of-day account. So, but yeah, right now, I mean, if you said pick one or the other, I'm gonna pick Take Profit Trader. Yeah, the only glitch to make daily payouts is you need to make the daily payouts. Yeah, for sure. Well, like Uncle says, you know, you just need base hits, just base hits, you know. All right, Unc, thank you so much for the super chat, $10. Appreciate that. How much are lobster rolls in Maine? Over the summer, they were around $30 at a good place. Quite a bit of lobster in them. Pretty good size. There's a place not too far from me in Wiscasset, Maine. So if you're in Wiscasset, Maine, there's a place. It's not Red's Eats. No locals go to Red's Eats. They go across the street. You can get 2 lobsters for around, I think, $30. Till Ray to the moon, Terry trades 100. What is up, Terry? Celebrity Terry trade in the house. Which size? I personally like the 25Ks and the 50Ks. She slays. How? Oh, that's the other one, O'Brien. I blew my funding ticks. So I forgot about them. I blew the funding tick eval today, and I blew the trade day eval today. So it wasn't great. Passed a few, blew a few. Yeah. Yeah, O'Brien, I'm gonna hit him again. I'm gonna hit him up again. I will get my tuition. So I said that trade day was gonna be my hit list. I was gonna get some tuition back. I got a small one. I got $500, so I haven't quite got my tuition back. But I will get some. I will get a payout from funding ticks. That is on my hit list. You're a school teacher and you want to try. Yeah, so yeah, I think that daily payouts is kind of the way to go for me personally as a full-time trader, but if you're new to trading, she slays. So not financial advice, but if you're new to trading, I would say the easiest path to payout is for the companies that I endorse. I know people say funding next, but I don't trade with them yet. It's my funded futures. The core accounts, it's 5 days of $100 or more once you're funded, and you can get qualify for the payout. So it's $1,000 max payout, but you only need to get 5 days of $100 or more. That's not too bad. Take Profit Trader is a little bit challenging to get to those daily payouts. It really is. I would say that those are for more medium experienced traders. If that makes sense. Let's go, JD54. Bought a scale account. Yeah, right now, great deal on the My Funded Futures, the 100, the 150Ks. For My Funded Futures, 33% off. Lobster Money Fiber Splice, yes. That's what she said. Jonathan taking a risk, trading gold. Let's go. I was trading a little bit of gold last night on stream. I got caught up in that crazy candle there. See, we are kind of just pushing higher, but we are just slow grinding higher. We have a, guys, we have a, what do we have for range? Very small. 25-point range. What is the hardest for new traders? Hardest prop firm? JC Trades? Hardest payout. You know, the funny thing is, like, Bulanox, you know, you got to trade that thing for 10 days. That's not easy. But I've been slaying Bulanox. I think psychologically, it's still the daily payout accounts. I think those are the hardest. Oh, let's go, John. How do I trade 25K Bulanox accounts? So how I trade them, very important, is the very first thing I do is I put in a daily loss limit on my Bulanox accounts. So with a 25K account, these are 50K accounts, I have a $700 daily loss limit. Maybe at 25K, maybe you do like $350 daily loss limit, maybe. If you hit it, you're done. Besides that, I just trade it how I trade everything else. I don't worry about the trailing so much. When I'm trying to pass evals and I'm full porting, I'll end up trailing the stop. But yeah, so you only have to make $100 a day for 5 days with my funded. Yep, Cody, exactly. Apex Slick Rick, yeah, not wrong. Sometimes, yeah. Intraday can be difficult, yeah. Yeah, Sports Dawn, anything you're trading at the moment can be hard. Yeah, Cody, so it's 100 days, 5 days trading. And if you're, let's just say you're over, you've got to 1,100, let's say a core account, you made $1,100 over the course of 5 days, and you've had 5 days of $100 or more, and you hit $1,100 total, you can take out $1,000. You'll blow the account, but you can actually do it. So if you have $2,200 or something, take out $1,000, then you'll have a little bit of a buffer. But futures forever, what is going on? Intradays can be hard if you over leverage, for sure, because it can come right back and bite you. But for my typical style of trading, scalping, things like that, intraday doesn't bother me that bad. The only time it bothers me is when I'm on take profit trader and I'm full porting on the pro account. Then it seems to come back and get me every time. Can anyone buy a funding ticks? Max allocation exceeded. Anyone else? Maybe you bought too many accounts. Are you using code PINE? If you're not using code PINE, then it probably doesn't work, Blobber Dauber. I'm just kidding. I can try to buy an account right now, actually, because I'm going to buy another account. Yeah, I'll try to buy an account right now. So, if you guys are unaware, funding ticks right now is a new prop on the streets. So, I'm not going to put my life savings into them, but I will try to pass an account. So, if you use code PINE right now, it gives you 35% off, and it's only $50. It's a $1,000 cap. So I am going to work on these. I'm not exactly sure the payout rules or anything else yet until I pass the account. But so yeah, so I'm going to try one of those. I can't use my own code, unfortunately. Yeah, I'm getting the same error message, Labradabber. So we're getting the same error message, says max allocation exceeded. So apparently is an issue buying funding ticks. So we'll wait. Back to the trade. Straight back to the entry. Eagle Eyes in the house. How does it work with the buffer? Get paid? Does it payout frequency? So you can get paid every 5 days, Cody, theoretically, right? Or every 6 days. No buffer. It's just 5 days of $100 or more on the core account, My Funded Futures. And it's a max $1,000 payout. That's it. Easy. Yeah, Coach Red, and that's where I'm at. I'm in the camp right now where I'm slinging evals like they don't mean anything. And Cody cannot get daily payouts like Take Profit Trader. No, not with My Funded Futures. ATRs out of 2. Oh my goodness, that is horrible. Slick Ricky, every time you get in the payout, you blow the account the next day. You're not alone in there. You're not alone in that department. I do the same thing sometimes. Believe it or not, Bulenox. That is my tonight when I got that Bulenox payout. This is the second payout on this account, and it's because of this daily loss limit. I'm telling you. I have to do this with, it's so easy to do it with Project X. It's not as easy to do it with Tradeovate because you can just go in and usually change it. So you can set a max risk, a daily loss limit. But on some accounts, you can go in and just change it. So, but yeah, that just saves me from me, you know? Was $600 away from a payout with Bulenox, now I'm back under the buffer, Rhonda. Oh, that sucks, but that's okay. I mean, at least you're, I don't know how much under the buffer you are, but that's all right. Just there's no, it's not a race. So we'll just keep grinding. It's not a race. I have to remind myself that sometimes, like, there's no rush. Some good inspiration that I got last night from a fellow streamer, Husk Trader. I don't know if you guys have heard of Husk, but yeah, he was showing me his accounts, and he has one account that he's traded for 70 days, and and then just recently qualified for the first payout. 70 days. I said that's amazing. Like, that's exactly what you want to do, you know. TPT don't let you change it? Probably not, Max. Some of them won't let you change it on Tradeovate. Yeah, that's a game that they play. Cracker Barrel's not changing their logo anymore. Uh-oh, Fred. You just lost money. Thank you, Coach Fred. I appreciate you. Are we in Sydney session? I have no idea what these sessions are. These early sessions. It's a race against the IRS for sure, yeah. Always. 70 days before the first payout, there's a lot of patience. Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, I'm gonna give him a shout out too, because you know what? He's a really good guy. He's Methodical Man's cousin. Right here. Been streaming a long time. New trader, but good guy. Try to get him over 1,000 subs. That'd be cool. So many inside bars. Earlier today, Eric C, we were looking for inside bars and could not find one. And now there's just so many. But it is struggling to get up there to 625. Yeah, he's not a degen, for sure. Yeah, and he, you know, the funny thing is, guys, he did it with the inside bar. That's why I was talking to him about it. He did it with the first inside bar. So pretty awesome. I love hearing that stuff. And he trades it a different way too. He has his own way of trading it, which is great. I love seeing that. It is very choppy right now. And it's getting tighter and tighter and tighter. The candles are getting smaller and smaller. Future session, New York, 5 a.m. to 2 p.m. Sydney, 2 to 11. Tokyo, 3 p.m. 2 a.m. Oh, thank you, Oni. Although he's Miss Cousin, he doesn't even have an OnlyFans. Yeah, for sure. What did he do with the inside bar trade? You talking to me or what Husk did? I believe he takes 10 points, but he has a way of taking 10. Once it goes 10 points, he trails it or something like that. I'm not 100% sure, to be honest. Ethan. Zane, the cheapest right now. All in. Relatively easy payout rules. Trade day. $59. Get paid in one day. No consistency once funded, so there's really no rules once you're funded at all. It's for the intraday accounts. $59. All in. Which My Funded Future account do I normally trade? I like the core accounts right now. But yeah, trade day is not one day pass. No. But they do have easy payout rules. It's 7 days, so you get paid out on the 8th, basically, if you get once you get funded. But it's 7 days, but you can flip days. 30% consistency on the eval stage. So that's what makes them a little bit harder. But as far as payout rules, all in is $59. Funding ticks is $50, but I do not know the payout rules, to be honest. I haven't gotten to that point. I haven't passed the eval yet. Let's go, Coach Fred. Yeah, that's what I got down there. I got that starter account. It's funded. I got it back to almost even. Right back to starting balance. That's what I did the other day because we had that massive dump, and I was like, oh, I need a one-day pass account. What am I going to get? But if you're looking for one-day passes on Zane, easiest payout rules. I mean, Tradeify is not bad for one-day pass on the growth accounts. What are they all in? Probably around $100 though. I'm thinking on 50K. Yeah, 97 bucks. I think you gotta trade those for 7 days. Wow, not bad payout rules though. %40 consistency on funding ticks. Thank you, Eric C. Yeah, I gotta familiarize myself with some funding ticks. Max payout $1,000 in trade day? No, I don't think so. I think it's more than that. I think it's anything over the buffer, right? Yeah, no withdrawal restrictions. Yeah, I feel like a lot of people have been sleeping on trade day though. But yeah, use code PINE with a capital P with trade day. Not bad. I mean, see if we can actually get up over the 620s. Man. $59 for an intraday evaluation. But they have end of day accounts too, which are 99 bucks. That's what I was working on. And I blew it like a bozo. And then they have static accounts as well. But they start you off with a small drawdown. 500, 750, and 1,000 drawdown for static accounts. But the end of days right now are kind of my favorites. But I might actually consider trying some intradays. They're only 59 bucks, all in cost. So if I can just take base hits like I don't do on Bielemax, then I should be able to reach payout, no problem. Would you use a prop firm for trading options? They don't really have any anymore, do they? They used to. Yeah, you have to touch base if you're up 5,000, you have to touch base to see if they will move you to live or something, right? Is it Tick Tick, Eagle Eyes? I don't care. Yeah, you can spit it out. That's fine. Coach Fred, you're not wrong. The intraday trailing keeps me disciplined as well. So doesn't having to trade for multiple days. If I have, it's the day one counts that that gets me, you know. Once funded, so it's 30% consistency, Zane, on trade day. Once funded, it's anything. If you have a $50,000 account, it's anything over $2,000. You can take an 80-20 split. So anything over 2,000 bucks, you can take a payout on. It's 80-20. But with trade day, it's kind of cool. You can withdraw into the buffer for a 50% split. So you can actually take the 80-20, and then you can withdraw into the 2,000 for the 50% split. That's a little bit different than trade day. Not trade day. Take profit trader. You think NQ will sell off before NVIDIA earnings? You could be right, Gato. I was thinking it was gonna pump. I'm thinking we're pumping until the earnings. But some people think everyone thinks something different, but I was hearing some people analyze saying we're gonna put pretty a range day tomorrow. I was like, I don't know. I feel like we're gonna pump right into earnings. But who knows? Today was very strong. The close was very strong. Wow, there is some room to the downside. Just to come back into this zone. Just to come back down into here. You know, a good 50, 60 point drop. Smash the like button if you guys are just tuning in. We are almost at 3,000 subs. When we get to 3,000 subs, we will do a really nice giveaway. We'll do a celebration giveaway. Stockpiling accounts. Giveaway. We are getting so close. 2,966. Right back to our entry, right sideways market. This is what usually happens, is that... What happened to my stop anyway? That's weird. I just noticed my stop was gone. I had a stop. Huh. Stop got tired, said hell with this. I guess so. I must have clicked it off by mistake. Sometimes when I'm going back and forth, clicking screens, I've done that where I've put orders on. I've actually done that live before, and all of a sudden I'm getting the order filled, and I'm like, what the heck is going on? Is it normal to have 10-minute delay data on MNQ? No. There shouldn't be any delay in data. I don't know who you're trading with, Mitch. Another inside bar. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 5 inside bars on the MNQ. 6 on NQ. Pre-market sell-off, Kato? Probably. Alright, bouncing off the VWAP. Yeah, this is just crap. This is a coin flip trade now. 100%. I mean, most of them are anyway, but this is like truly like the edge is gone. It could just roll. It feels like it's just curling over. Come down and take out my stop now. Maybe we're not gonna get a move until Tokyo again. I went back and you deleted it 3 minutes ago. Yeah, that's what I do. I guess I got tired of it. That's funny. Yeah, I've done that stuff before on stream where I'm just not even paying attention. Yeah, Tick Trader. I think you can use code. Try using code Pine on it. I might actually have a code with it. Tick Trader. $98 for straight to funded is crazy. I used to have an account with them, but I'm not sure. I've never traded with them. Yeah, email already exists. That's what I thought. Thank you, Eagle Eyes. Appreciate that. And I appreciate you asking. Hmm. Tick Tick, they've been around a long time, actually. Yeah, not Nutty Bar. Alpine used to trade with him quite a bit. I believe like that was like one of his first payouts. The curl over, I know it's the rainbow. The rainbow does not look good. So we're right at the VWAP again. Oh, we're kind of just grinding down now. We're kind of getting that rainbow. What time is Tokyo Open? 8 p.m. Yes, Keaton. Yep. Yep. Over here, wondering if I need to make the stop loss at the entry. Yeah. Is the stream lagging? I don't know. I'm put the Discord link in the chat, guys, if you guys want to join up on the Discord. It's completely free. So here we are, right back to the VWAP. Very slow markets. I feel like it's even slower than last night. I mean, this is just insane. There's a Discord link if you guys want to join. Smash the like button too if you guys are hanging out. I'm short right now. I'm really trying to trade when institutions are at. Yeah, Thumper. No, it's I'm slinging around this eval here. Or these evals with the micros. See if I can get a little head start for tomorrow, but yeah, we're kind of waiting on a news candle or something like last night. Markets don't go sideways because I need cash now. Shout out Cove. Joseph, thank you so much for the sub. I think we only need about, what, 30, 40 more? Hit 3,000. Yeah, it's usually a little bit of a delay anyway. It's built in, but I have it on no delay, or I try to. All right, Mark's just still hanging out here at the VWAP. You guys in any trades? Do I trade Elite Trader Funding? I have never traded with Elite Trader Funding in Pegasus. No. Give you a big wick, yeah. Give you a big wick, all right. With a 25K take profit trader eval, if you blow it, does it reset at the monthly renewal fee? Yes. I believe so, Cody. Could we break down before pre-market? We're starting to, slowly. The move is coming, 4:30 in the morning. Wow. Yeah, exactly. Still holding long off the first inside. Yeah, me too. Long 23, 614. Good luck. That's what she said, Corey. That's right. Best show ever. Hopefully we move in the Asia. Yeah, we probably will. Yeah, as soon as I get off, it'll move. It's usually the way it is, but sometimes we have really good nights, for sure. Slowly pushing down off that inside, outside bar as well. What is up, red candles? You taking small 1 to 4 tick trades on the mini with 3 contracts, 15 to 60. Let's go, Keaton. Let's go. That's not easy to do, but you can do it. I mean, commissions can eat you up, but hey, if it works, it works. currently down about 3 points. $5 for full port puts. Well, we'll see. Hey, Candle Apostle, we'll see you. Saving some juice for London. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Hey, Zipster, what is up? I traded throughout the New York session, yeah, but you don't really need to. I mean, the first inside bar, get paid, take that one trade a day, and be done. That's kind of the way I should be trading it. But yeah, no, they work all day. You know, not every trade, but yeah. And welcome. Let's go, Red Candles. Another payday from Buellnox. Crushing on the payday. Yeah, I just got my payout tonight, Red. So yeah, it came out and it should have hit the bank. But yeah, that's how you do it. I mean, just the base hit days with Buellnox. Get that 10 days in and take the max payout. Hey James, what is going on? It's going all right. The market is dead, but we are here. We're hanging out. Jagnish. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. I probably just botched your name, but thank you so much for the sub. We are pushing up now a little bit. See if we can actually break above my entry here, above the VWAP, and go to all-time highs. That would be nice. Marcus sounds so dead. I'm just listening to you. Let's go, Zipster. Appreciate you hanging out. Yeah, Marcus is a little dead. You know, I'm expecting a better market tomorrow night, I hope. Yeah, James, I've been long since, well, for an hour and 20 minutes. Kato says all-time highs, let's go. Terry Trades 100's in the house, hanging out. Wow. Look how many points she's got to gamble. Going to zero? Possibly. Bet I'm long now. We are pushing above the VWAP. Putting in the snake pattern. I think she got way more points than me. Terry can let us know when the short. Yeah. Perma Bear. Terry hasn't caught up to Uncle Mo though. Hasn't caught up to Uncle Mo. So every time you donate money or whatever, you get Uncle Mo points. So $6.25, let's go. Yeah, I like it. Yeah, 2 million points, Uncle Mo. Yeah, Uncle Mo, when I first started, was donating hundreds of dollars to the stream, so it's quite amazing. I mean, the very first day I became monetized, he had donated hundreds of dollars, so shout out Uncle Mo. Even though YouTube takes like 30-40%, but still awesome. There's Uncle Mo right there. That's so funny. What is up, Mo? He's lurking. I didn't know he was lurking. Terry's trying to keep up. He saw that Terry was creeping up, so Mo was like, no, I'm not having it. Let's go, Mo. Guys, so awesome. Thank you so much, Uncle Mo. What is up? Thank you, buddy. They take the high percentage of all that stuff. Yeah, fighting futures. Yeah, they take quite the Google takes quite a cut, unfortunately, but it's okay. I mean, thank you so much, Mo. Appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out too. All right, pump it. Let's go. Let's go for 625s. I got the diamonds hands tonight, Terry. Just like with Tilray. Let's see if we can actually take out the high here. Might not do it until Tokyo Open, but Smokey Bear is long, I hope. Let's go. Let's pump this up. Yeah, Sean. Yeah, for sure. So awesome, Mo. Thank you so much. Tilray to the moon. That's right, diamond hands. If you guys are just tuning in, smash that like button. Yeah, earlier I was talking, I have a position in Tilray. So the old pot stock is just a speculative. This is not financial advice, but yeah, I'm just in the stock. Seeing if it pumps. I'm up about 38% or so in it right now. I'm looking for 3,000%. What is up, Eric Lake? As long as no Smokey Bear is long, we are good. Yes. Looking for that 625.75. It's just at the high. It's kind of looking for 10 points, but yeah, I mean, I'm just looking for to sweep that high. Oops. You haven't heard about Tilray in so long? I know, Coop. Remember when everyone on CNBC was wearing the Tilray hats? Well, I haven't been bag holding it this whole time, so I started a new position about 2 weeks ago. Smoke some Tilray products, you won't care about how much profit or loss you have. So I've heard, yeah. Sports Don. Yeah, it's kind of been in the news lately where they're, trying to pass some new laws or get rid of laws and things like that. So it's kind of getting a little bit of a pop lately. John Dell, life works for True Leaf. Nice. TCNNF. Yeah, I've heard of them. I have heard of them. I've been known to partake a little bit in the greeneries. Just a little bit. Every now and then. Yeah, they were going nuts for a while, Coop, for sure. Wow, she personally opened 140 stores for them? Wow, that's crazy, John Doe. Yeah, Florida is a big market down there. Some people from Maine that I know moved down there to start stores because the markets in Maine were so flooded. Tilray is also invested in some of the microbreweries too, which I'm a fan of. Was it a penny stock? Yeah, Michael, it kind of still is. It's trading at what, $1.50 today, so it kind of still is. It once went to 148 bucks before it crashed down once back in 2018. So I think it was 2018. Let's go, Eric. Yeah, I think it did. It got whale popped and dumped. Yeah, for sure, top dog. He's John Doe, yeah. Yeah. A friend of mine got bought out by what the heck was it called? Grow Generations, which trades. So Grow Generations is like a place to buy supplies for gardening, and a friend of mine had a small garden supply store and ended up getting bought out by Grow Generations, which is pretty amazing. Here we go. Let's get it up there. 625. That's all I want. Don't double top here. Yeah, Spoached on. That was going on with the recreational shops in Maine, where it's basically going to the highest bidder. Oh wow, John Doe, yeah. Let's go. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that. Get up there! Bull flag in 15 minutes? Yeah, it could be. Got about 20 minutes before the Tokyo opens. Let's see if we can actually take profit before. This might be a one and done trade for tonight. I don't know. Missed your target by 1 point. Never been excited over a 4 point. Yeah. Romeo, exactly. Yeah, yeah. It feels like 100 points, right? See money, take money. Diamond hands. Let's go. You know there's a bunch of liquidity sitting up there. You know there is. Come grab it. You have a 200 lot sitting down there at 606. Right where my stop is. Basically, there's a 200 lot sitting there on the books. A 22 lot sitting up that there at 25. Putting in a double top here. I'm gonna take off some risk. I'm just gonna move it just below this swing low here. I don't see a reason to risk any more than that. I think if we break below that swing low, then we're probably gonna go lower. Probably down to that 606 level. Oh, they just pulled that order. They had a 200 lot sitting down there at 606. They just pulled it. Locking out for 30 minutes. I like that, Kato. That's great, actually, that you do that. So he gets out of a trade and then he locks himself out. That is something that you guys can do on Project X, which is not a bad idea. Instead of just hopping right back into another trade, I believe you can do it on Project X. Yeah. I believe you can lock yourself out for a few minutes. Yeah, right here. Trading lockout. Yep. Yeah, so on Project X, guys, so like Kato, he took a trade. He was happy with his trade. Took a nice trade. He's going to give himself some time, cool off period, instead of just hopping right back in again. So he locked himself out for 30 minutes. You can do 15 minutes. So hard to see with Buellanox because it's blue. 15, 30, 1 hour, and all day. Or you can customize. So I don't do that, but it's smart. And here we are. We put in a double top. We did not breach the top there, but still a nice little pop. Yeah, Terry's in there spoofing with the giant orders, exactly. Between these big players, Smokey Bear, Terry Trades, and Mo, running around with these giant orders. That's just a joke. How hard can it be, Slick Rick? Exactly. It's so close. Yeah, it was. I still think we could run it. I've been in it since well, 5:05, so I might as well just hold on to it. I mean, we're still just kind of grinding higher, so I've had this happen where I've literally held a trade the whole stream, and then it just comes back. Literally like the last 5 minutes of me getting off stream, and it just comes down and or up and smacks my stop loss, and I'm done for the night. You know, it's just like, what the heck? 2 hours in a trade. So tomorrow night, guys, I will get on a little bit early. I'm planning on hopping on right at 4, right around market close. So just before market close. Maybe I'll hop on Power Hour and for the NVIDIA news, and we'll stream the NVIDIA news. So if you guys want to hop on, look for me or smash the notification bell, and look for me around the Power Hour tomorrow. And we'll stream the NVIDIA news, the NVIDIA earnings. I'm not sure what time the NVIDIA earnings is exactly, but it's after market close, so it should be fun. 1620. Okay, Coach Fred, thank you. So at 4:20 Eastern time. Imagine that. So yeah, so you guys want to come back and hang out tomorrow night. Of course, we'll be here 6 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow night as well. Hanging out. Yeah, maybe it will stream right through. Maybe we'll put in a stream right through. Maybe we'll have 3,000 subs by tomorrow, and we can do NVIDIA party, massive giveaway. I got some Take Profit Trader account credits to give away. Thank you guys for using code PINE, Take Profit Trader. So I got some. I got 3 150K accounts to give away. And maybe I'll give away some cash too, and we'll do some we'll definitely do a members only race, so we'll do that tomorrow. Well, I don't know if I hit 3,000 subs. I don't know if I'll hit it tomorrow or not, but we'll do a giveaway tomorrow anyway. How about that? We'll do a giveaway tomorrow at least. But I want to save a big one for the 3,000 subs. But we're so close. So if you haven't subbed, please sub. Smash the like button. We got 105 likes tonight. We got almost 200 people watching. So half of you haven't smashed the like button. I know it sounds silly, but it really does help push out the channel to the YouTube algorithm. So thanks, Kato. I appreciate you. No lobster giveaway again. That would. I feel like that would be fun to do, but man, I feel like it would be a pain in the ass to do a lobster giveaway. They do ship them. I feel like it would be a big issue. Live lobsters. I'll think about that, you know? It might not be a bad idea. Triple smash it. Yeah, that's right. I'll send you KC barbecue, easy peasy. That sounds good. Kansas City barbecue. Yeah, I heard that's some of the best. Boy, put in another double top. Just couldn't quite get up over there. DoorDash Lobstergram. And now it's gonna come down and hit my stop. I just know it. I just know it. Yeah, see money, take money. Exactly with the Asia market. So couldn't quite get it, but maybe we'll get it. Maybe it just sweeps, busts up through that high. $3M, what is up? How many ticks? Yeah, not much. 1 point. yeah, exactly. Exactly. Yeah, someone's probably be allergic, and or it won't get there in time, and it'll be bad. And I mean, it's bad enough trying to give away accounts sometimes, guys. So when I give away Take Profit Trader accounts, I say make sure you have a Take Profit Trader email. I've gotten people that are banned from Take Profit Trader. I've had people that were banned from My Funded Futures when I gave away them. I'm like, what are you guys doing? But yeah, overall it's been pretty good. I haven't had any scammers or anything. That's been amazing. Trying to scam the giveaway, you know, trying to send me their email even though someone didn't win, or even though that they didn't win, and claiming that they're the winner. I haven't had any of that yet, so that's good. That's why I like to kind of do it through Discord, because I have people that are in the Discord, and you know, I kind of know them and stuff through the Discord. It's just a little bit easier. The Phidias 25K accounts? No, I haven't. So yeah, I made a video today, guys. I haven't published it yet, but yeah, I was talking about how we are kind of in the golden age of prop firms, with all the competition. Pretty good prop firms to choose from, and they're creating better and better rates for us as consumers, if you're a prop firm trader. So yeah, it's kind of nice. Back when I started in 2021, we didn't really have any choices. It was Top Step, UProfit, Apex was kind of getting us started. Trade Day was around, but there really wasn't many to choose from, and kind of sucked. Apex was scary. It was Daryl in his dusty old basement on the whiteboard. I don't know if you guys remember those old videos where you'd be in the basement, like drawing out the plans and things like that, and it was kind of nuts. UProfit was rug pulling my brother, so so I didn't choose them. What if I have already have 5 accounts with Take Profit Trader? Who I'd go with? If you're like the day one payouts, I'd go with Trade Day and get 5 accounts with Trade Day. Dude, if you got 10 accounts with Take Profit Trader and Trade Day, and you copy trading them on daily, getting daily payouts, can you imagine? That would be pretty awesome. How do you get banned from a prop? Hedging accounts usually, or I mean, I'm not gonna. I don't know. A lot of times countries are banned too, so there's been people with countries that were banned. But because we have people watching from all over the world, which is totally crazy to me and awesome. But yeah. But how do you get banned from a prop firm? For sure, hedging funded accounts will get you banned. For sure, that's a clear way to get banned. They can make a bunch of money, yeah. Super profitable traders get banned too. What's up, Josh? Yeah, 3 accounts. Yeah. Sorry, Francis. Yeah, 3 accounts of trade day. My bad. Do I ever use a chair with my setup or just standing setup? Yeah, at my other office I have a sitting desk, but now that I've gotten used to the standing desk, I love it and I do not want to go back. It took a little bit to get used to, but I absolutely love the standing desk now. Does anyone else use a standing desk? My back is so much better now that I use a standing desk. Crazy. I don't have that sciatic nerve pain or anything anymore. Do I have a standing pad? I don't. I'm on a rug though. It's a pretty thick rug. That's what she said. Oh, nice, Ethan. Yeah. But yeah, it's like my back has been way better. So yeah, I'll never go back. If I set up any new setups, I'm never going back to a standing desk. Yeah, nice, Josh. Yes, you'll love it. You'll hate it at first, but after about a week, you'll love it. Get a standing pad? I might look into that, Lobber Dauber, yeah. Oh, nice, you just got the Titan chair. Yeah, I had to go and I had to try out a bunch of chairs. Boy, I just could not find one that was comfortable for me. And I ended up finding one at Staples, the office supply store. It was just like a random one. I tried a bunch of them, like expensive ones, cheaper ones. I tried a bunch. And I finally found one that like fit me really well. And it's like a no-name brand, but it's a gaming chair, but it actually fit me really well. But I had to sit in a bunch of them, try them out. Chair's insane, so nice. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I see so many gamers using those chairs, Josh. $700. Oof, yeah. It's probably worth it though. Oh, Vector, you got one of those walking treadmills to go underneath the desk. Yeah, that's not a bad idea too. Yeah, Coach Red. Yeah, it's tough, but you get used to it. I like it. I do look forward to sitting usually after stream. I'm like, oh, I'll just sit for a minute, but then usually after. So I usually go to the gym during the afternoon. I usually go to the gym every other day, and then I do something cardio related on alternative days, and then after stream right now, where the weather's still nice, I'll go for a walk or something. Go for a nice long walk. Just kind of unwind. And then that's what I do after stream usually. After I eat, go for a walk. Boy, we are right back to even. Right back to entry, guys. Tokyo's gonna open here in just a few seconds. Do I ever watch ICT videos? No, I don't. I mean, I'm familiar with ICT strategies and stuff through you guys, basically, and watching Methodical Man and other ICT traders, but no, I've never. I told you this is gonna happen right before I get off stream. Maybe it'll hold here. There it is. About time. It's about time. Yeah, it's Mo's fault. No. What's up, John? Come back from dinner. I'm still long like me. Yeah, I held it the whole stream. And now we're rolling over. So, stopped out for 60 bucks. Not a big deal. Easily, you know, that's one trade. Easily not in New York, but that was unfortunate. I missed my take profit by a point. I was a little bit I was being a dick for a tick there, but yeah, the market is pretty boring tonight, guys. But we are getting the push down now. Tokyo Open. Maybe a bounce off the 600s. I did plan that out, Sports Don. Yeah, crazy. So anyways, tomorrow, like I was saying, guys, I will be on earlier tomorrow for NVIDIA earnings. So plan on seeing me around Power Hour or so. Smash the like button on your way out. And thank you for using code PINE across all the props. My Funded Futures, Take Profit Trader, you know, Billinox, Apex, Tradeify, Trade Day, PINE with a capital P for Trade Day. I appreciate the support there, guys. And I'm gonna call it. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for the NVIDIA news. So come hang out. And if you can't hang out then catch me back here at 6 p.m. Eastern time tomorrow night. And let's see, we'll do a giveaway tomorrow of some sort. But I'm planning on doing a much larger giveaway event when we hit 3,000 subs, which I think I'm only about 40 away. So if you haven't subbed, please sub. If you have any socials, share the channel. Share the channel. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate all of you. And we'll do it again tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Peace. Oh, thank you, Mo, too. Thank you, Uncle Mo, for the $200 super chat. Everyone give it up for Uncle Mo, please. For the support of the channel since the beginning. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Discord, link to the top of the chat, Keith. If you want to join the Discord, it's linked right to the top. Thank you, Max. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.